Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the work surfaces. Work surface is, as other kinds of elements, it's also an auxiliary 3D element, and these work surfaces represent a geometrical surface of a certain type. We have a specific type of elements that can be used as a work surfaces, and examples are a cylinder, a sphere, or a torus. The functional purpose of a work surface is quite similar to what is used in terms of the work plans. We can do a kind of a imprint or a develop a figure, a text in these work surfaces. There are a lot of concepts about the positioning of what we want to project on the work surface, but I will do a very simple example so that you can see the concept of it. First, I will create a cylinder. I think it's the easiest one to consider. I will change the diameter or even a little lower. So we have a small cylinder, and to work with this command, we go to this function here, choose a work surface, and the first step is to create a work surface. So to define the work surface, so I will choose the cylinder. I can choose from offset 0 or above. If it is 0, what I will create will lay down on top of the surface. If I say offset 10, it will be out. But for this first example, I will leave 0. Then we have functions to define the correct positioning of what we want to do. I will leave this very easy, so just create the work surface. And now to work and to choose what I want, I can, or I should choose the work surface. I should go to the function draw on work plan, and I open the 2D side of this work surface, what in fact it's the surface is unfolded. This is the origin that is defined somewhere, or at least in automatic mode on the work surface. I will leave this for now, and I will write a text. For example, let us say CADsoft, a couple of times, soft, and another one. Okay, and I will rotate it, rotation, this element, and I will say -30, something like this. Okay, something like this, and simply go exit, and as you can see, what happens is something like this. Okay, it should be better done or better executed because it's going outside of the work surface, but you see the purpose of it. Okay, another example for you to understand this, I will create a new work surface. I will choose the same cylinder. This time I will say offset 5. confirm. It is done also. So you see this element with the dots. So I can say choose it. Let us try to choose it. Okay, draw on work plan. Okay, cylinder 3. And I can do now, for example, another kind of entity. So a circle, for example. Just say it is what I want, and you see it is imprinted on the outside surface. Okay. For sure, now I could do an extrusion inside whatever I want and add it. Okay, not perfect, but you see the example of what I mean with this. For sure also that if I go edit and change it place, it will adapt to a new position. Okay, you see it is on a different position, and basically this is the concept to have a work surface. This positioning, it has a lot of details, especially due to the type of the different type of parametric region and the element that we are working with, like if it is a sphere, if it is a cylinder. I will leave these details to the theoretical course, but my main purpose in this video was to show you the concept and what we can do with these work surfaces, which I think it is clear in these two very easy and fast examples.